When a crown starts to look like this, do not take it personally. This is what happens after you've worn a wig for an extended period of time. If you notice that you cannot get your fingers through anymore, you've sprayed it to the high heavens, you've washed it, now we need to start incorporating heat to really repair this wig. So let's do this together. The first signs of wear on a wig in particular is going to be the ends. They feel dry, they look frayed, and that is something that is coming from brushing them, continually touching them, guilty of that, and ultimately the ends start to look almost like a snapped ribbon, and you do need to change that shape back again. And what you're going to do is either use a hot comb, or you can actually use a blow dryer with a comb. You do not want to use something to clamp it down like a curling iron or a flat iron, because that is just too much heat placed in one specific area. So keeping it moving with a blow dryer or a hot comb is really the way to go, specifically when you don't want to lose the curls. So if you were to go in with a straightener and clamp it down and straighten it, that would straighten the wig, where this is a little bit more controlled. But I really find a lot of just power in a hot comb. Start on level 2. I can definitely go up to level 3 on the hot comb. It's just ultimately about moving fast enough. And I'm going to let this heat up and we will start repairing. This is going to be really nice too for that nape of the neck that is going to get frayed over time. It's usually where you see the first signs of wear next to these ends. I'm going to start lightly moving through here with the hot comb. Because if I were to start up here and then work my way down, you can see that I get stuck right there, which is just incorporating more knots to the bottom. So you just have to be really patient and work through those. You can see that the curl is still maintained, but I'm able to smooth those fibers back down. The hot combs are definitely something you want in your arsenal as a wig wearer. I can tell that this one can handle a little bit more heat, so I am going to pop it up to level 3. Can you see those little corkscrews? So here, I know that that one's just gonna need a little bit more. This will also make the wig feel soft again. It's so easy to want to treat a wig like human hair because it looks so much like human hair, but it does need just a little bit different. She is much happier, much smoother again, and we still maintain the style.